Hi everyone, I'm AmandaRachLee with HandsOn Higher Ed, and today we are going to be doing a flip through of AmandaRachLee's Doodle Planner. So if you are into bullet journaling or if you're trying to get into bullet journaling, this is definitely a planner that you're going to want to check out. And also be sure to stay at the end of the video to see how you can win this planner for free. So this is AmandaRachLee 2020 Doodle Planner. I absolutely love this color. This is known as the teal color. And what's really great about the design of this is that it features 12 different monthly themes with black and white hand-drawn illustrations by AmandaRachLee herself. I love how this cover page matches the front and the back cover of this planner. Here is, oh, what a great quote, "Let the new adventures begin." And here's a 2020 overview. Oh, I love that. So you can see what the calendar date is for this year. Here's a page to kind of reflect on 2019, to write from highlights from last year, things that you've learned, what you were grateful for, and then just things that you're wanting to leave behind. And there's even goals of things you want to accomplish, learn, feel, and bring. Here's a section for things to check out for this year. I really like that. And there's a couple of dot gridded paper. Here's the first month, January, keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. Then here's a monthly overview. I love the star galaxy type theme. Here's an example of a monthly view, and I really like the note section on the right hand side. Here's a habit tracker. There's 369 areas, and then as well as a mood tracker. Here are some January goals and like some favorites. I really like that. So you're able to reflect on the month. And then here's an example of a weekly spread. And then here's the following week. Oh, okay, they're all the same. So I like that. So it matches with the monthly theme. And here is February, cherry blossom. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is that every single month it seems like there's a quote, there's a monthly calendar, there's a habit tracker, mood tracker, there's goals and favorites, a blank sheet, and the weekly layout. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is for the rest of the time of this flip through, I'm going to let you all listen to some music. I'm back. So now we're at the end of the planner. There's several blank pages, actually. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So about 7 pages back in front, and there's a reflection 2020 section. Oh, this is great. Inhale the future and exhale the past. I love how this planner ends with that quote. Oh, and the very back, there's a pocket. Very useful. I'll make sure to list the specifics of this planner below, but stay tuned to the very end to find out how you can get one yourself for free. Well, we hope you all enjoyed that flip through of the AmandaRachLee's Doodle Planner. And now the moment you all been waiting for. So if you want your chance to win a Doodle Planner yourself, all you have to do is share this YouTube video on any of your social media platforms and be sure to tag Hands On Higher Ed.